my name is Paul Cook, and in this LaBLiFe activity we're going to look at the Freefall Apparatus. So we open the box and we get our pieces out. We can see here that we've got a millisecond timer. We've got our mains lead, so I'm going to plug that in. Switch it on. We've got our solenoid here. Got a bar that we can screw on, and then we're going to put that into the retort stand and clamp that I've got here. We've got a connecting lead, so we connect that to the side here, and that goes straight into the unit. So we've got two sockets here. One goes to the stopping plate and one goes to the solenoid. So it's as simple as connecting the lead in there. Let's straighten the lead out a little bit. And then in here, last important thing, we've got our little ball bearing. Okay. And then the last piece is the stopping plate. There we go. And it's sprung loaded, so it will trigger every time the ball bearing lands on it, and then it will reset itself. So with this lead, we're going to put it into the socket marked stopping plate. Okay. Now, we'll switch the unit on, and we've got a button here called ball and ball release, and then another one here to reset. So if I put the ball bearing there, it should be energized, which it is. Now what we can do, we can put the stopping plate on here, and I'm going to loop the leads out of the way, so they're not going to interfere with ball dropping. Now, what we need is a ½ meter rule on this retort stand. We need to know the distance between the solenoid and the stopping plate. Now, depending on how tall your retort stand is, you could use a meter rule, or if you put it over the side of the desk and have the stopping plate on the floor, obviously you can get a much greater height on the drop of the ball bearing. But it's as simple as pressing the ball release, and then we have our time. And you can reset, press the reset button, pull our ball bearing back up, ball release. Now what you should do is you take 3 readings. Do it again. And there are 3 readings.